Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. And as I mentioned, I believe in my community post that I'm going to repeat what I did for the month of November. I'm going to reimagine the dishes my mom made for the holidays. You know she's from South Carolina, so it's going to be some southern dishes I reimagined. Get ready for a ride.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy.
My marinade consisted of Chardonnay wine, lemon pepper seasoning, extra virgin olive oil, and I may have included a tablespoon of honey. Okay, back to the video.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights.
My angels, my dears, I realize that December is also a month of parties. We have Christmas parties, we have office Christmas parties, we have New Year's Eve parties. So for the month of December, I'll also be including crudités, hors d'oeuvres, and desserts that we serve at parties. It will fall on any day of the week, so look for it. All right, back to the video.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Hello, my angels, my dears. If you're still hanging around, thank you so much. If you like what you see, hit that like button. That's a thumbs up. And why don't you consider subscribing? Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. And leave me a comment, why don't you? All right, back to the video. My mom's macaroni salad was simple, just like mine is. She used the elbow macaroni, mayonnaise, chunk light tuna in the can with water or oil, and salt and pepper. All right, back to the video.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Oh.
reimagining of my mom's macaroni salad. I used shrimp instead of the tuna. I added onions, which I think she may have used occasionally, and I added fresh chopped parsley. If you'd like to do this recipe, I would suggest that you substitute some of the fresh parsley for dry parsley and add some oregano. That might give it a good kick. Well, if you like this video, give me a like, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads. Leave me a comment, and many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.